Within the aforementioned camera bulge on the rear of the Moto E5 you'll find a 13MP camera and a single LED flash. While it's not going to blow you away with stunning photography, we had a quick play around and we believe it should be good enough for the odd social post. It also features phase detection autofocus, which improves capture speed. On the front there's a 5MP selfie camera which should suffice for the occasional Snapchat and Instagram story session. Inside the Moto E5 there's a big 4,000 mAh battery which Motorola claims will give you a full day of use from a single charge. That's a claim we're inclined to agree with, but we'll put it to the test in our in-depth review. If you're looking for incredible battery, check out our coverage of the Moto E5 Plus that comes with a 5,000 mAh cell that we believe may even be able to last a whole 2 days like the Moto E4 Plus did. The battery also supports fast charging, and you get a 10 watts fast charger in the box to help you top up in a flash. We'll be sure to put this to the test as well during our review process.